This is Hendrik from CANchecked, and today I will show you the new update process for all our MFD28 and MFD32 displays. So we changed something in the background. The only thing you will need in the future is the DSS, which you can find in our help section on our website, which I will link below the video. After installation of the DSS, either on Windows or on Mac, you start the DSS and it will come up like this with our big logo. You click on the logo and next step is you choose your MFD2832 Generation 2, which will come up with the connection tab. So we suggest that you connect to the display. With this, the DSS knows what your current firmware version is. Either it's in OBD standard, UDS, TB2, or any BMW firmware. With this, it will be easier on the next step. So you're connected, you go to the update tab, and here you can see the DSS has detected the OBD2 standard firmware, and it will show only the OBD standard firmware. Okay, so you cannot do anything wrong. So either you choose the latest official update, or you can also choose the beta update if you want to, or if support suggests you. You got now the option if you want to download the firmware. So either you're at home, you get Wi-Fi connect, you download the firmware on your laptop, and afterwards you go to your car, or you can flash the device directly from here. So what we'll do is we download the firmware. You can see it's cached now over here. And now I got the display connected. I simply go to Flash Device. It will disconnect the display from the DSS automatically. It will flash the display and the display will come up afterwards. You can see, please connect the display again. We have updated the firmware. We go to our connection tab. We connect again to the display. We don't want to import the pages again, so just hit cancel. And here we go. That's about it. We will continue to make such short videos, so let us know if you want us to cover other topics, which will also be on our channel. Bye.